We back. We back and then better. Huh. Yeah. We back on the track. Pussy is wetter than ever. Huh. Yeah. That bar. Huh. Was recycled. Huh. We finna react. Damn.
I'm sorry. I didn't know what to say.
That's fucked up, man. You be leaving me hanging, bro.
Man, I'm a real nigga, bro.
That's fucked up. But yeah, y'all, what's good, man? It's your boy 773.
And your boy Zay Styles.
We back on the reaction, man. It's your favorite niggas on the tube. 773 Chuck.
And Zay Styles.
Oh, back here, man. And wait, what's that? What did I say? That was hard, though. I felt like Chris Brown.
You gave yourself a bum. He said,
bitch. But yeah, y'all, K Michelle, y'all ladies been requesting this, man. Shout out to the ladies.
Yeah, shout out. Listen.
Shout out.
We love all our supporters, but I think I got a special place in my heart.
Shout out to the chicas. Shout out to the chicas.
I got a special place in my heart for y'all, man.
Real. Y'all know what it is, man. That's what's understood and gotta be explained.
What's understood ain't gotta be explained.
So we got K Michelle. Oh.
The rain. Oh, bars. What's understood ain't gotta be explained.
Facts. Ooh, 3.4 million on the tube since October 25th. The rain. Official video. K Michelle. We gonna get into it. We ain't gonna talk too much. Shout out K Michelle.
K Michelle.
Can you stand the rain? Sunny days.
I know, hard days.
Introducing.
Oh, nigga, we go. Oh, I didn't even know this was that.
Oh.
K Michelle.
Hey, she is looking like a sexy ass disco ball.
She looking like a sexy mirror, nigga. He said disco
She
ball.
look like damn both. I ain't gonna fake.
He said
She
disco
like
ball.
both. Sexy disco ball, and then she can, you know what I'm saying? You could really walk up to her and just looking at yourself like, oh shit.
She gonna be thinking I'm checking her out the whole time. I'm looking at how cute she is.
That's red though.
She said, eyes up here. I'm like, shoot, I'm sorry. I'm just looking at me.
Well, they got the mirror on. I'm sorry. The mirror shows a reflection of me, right?
You feel me? Hey, she look good in that
You
joint,
know that
though.
red is hitting, girl.
And that hair, girl, you better, ooh.
Man,
Listen, K Michelle, if you watching this, girl, you better come here.
She do like a disco ball. Do a little spin. Look, she go out in here. If she do a turn, it's over with. She gonna light up the whole little section.
I want to have that song come through.
Hey.
Drip on it.
Ooh,
I'ma
she got it
change it
like
up.
that?
It's already saved as H2O. Say less.
She got it like that though.
She said she gonna have to drip on it. Drip on me,
You know
all over me.
You know what you gotta do to me if your name in my phone is H2O?
You better
Nigga, what?
You better have me drenched.
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen.
Your name is Hydrogen 2 Oxygen. What? That's your name in my girl. You have to lay it down.
Hydrogen 2 oxygen. You
What?
gonna spell it all the way out. You ain't even gonna put H2O.
I'm putting the
Hydrogen 2
whole
oxygen.
thing. I ain't even good with science, but I'm gonna figure it out, bro. I'm gonna figure it out. Jesus Christ. That's like a little bumblebee, bro. That's like a sunflower. You ever saw sunflowers? She is just everything
You
today.
got it too. She can listen.
Hey.
I'll make you overflow. What's up?
I'm gonna let you know I can stand that rain. Make me overflow.
First of all,
I
nigga,
can
no,
stand
that's
that.
me. That's me. I'm gonna stand that rain.
Well, if you
make
watching
me
this and you are,
overflow.
know what I'm saying? I'm talking to the women though. I ain't just
Oh,
talking
okay,
to them.
alright.
I'm talking to
her.
women. I can stand that rain, baby. You feel me? I can stand it.
I definitely
can
stand
stand
her
it.
rain. She was H2O.
H2O.
Be my H2O.
Man, for real. And I'm putting like 5 water emojis. I don't give no fuck. Jesus Christ.
That dress so cold.
Man. Long and shit. Man, like a yellow
She
carpet.
still wants some more. I got more. Who's that nigga, bro? Boy, you think I want nothing to get out, bro? Wait, I kiss him. But she cheating me.
She said, what stroke do you got for me,
All
baby?
of
I
them.
got the front stroke,
Ooh.
the breast stroke, the back stroke. Feel me? The
I
fly.
got the doggy paddle if you
For
want
real,
it.
I got every stroke, baby. Every single one. And guess what?
All
I'm an
of them.
Olympian at all of them, nigga. All of them, I'm like Michael Phelps with it, bro. For real. If you want to know what stroke I got.
I got every last one of them.
For real.
I got more than that nigga in the video. I knocked that nigga out. Ooh. After she put all that water on me, she gonna sing me to sleep.
Man.
I do, I show it.
Yeah. Gonna be a hurricane in that motherfucker, huh? Real.
It hurt like a typhoon. After we get done, I want more too. Me to make it rain.
You know what she mean, though.
And I'm gonna make it rain.
That's what she really need, though. She wants you to make it rain.
I'm gonna make
goddamn
her
it.
rain.
I look at it like this. Shit, I was trying to. We'll say the Easter Bunny, but like, that's too good. Testimony, goddammit.
You know, remember the old niggas just get on at the end of the beat. Baby, I knew about all those nights. I knew you was out
Talk to her
there,
then.
guy. You know, but I didn't care because I loved you. I was just waiting on you to come home with
Baby,
me.
I love
Come
you.
home and make me rain.
I like reacting to shit like that.
Oh, the
man.
niggas, that song was hard.
Man,
Dude,
little sample, new edition.
you feel me?
A lot of people ain't hip, man. Y'all
Man, if y'all ain't hip to that new edition banger, bro,
better
what's
go ahead.
up
Can
with
you
you?
stand the rain? He say, oh, he was hitting that motherfucker.
Oh, the niggas he was sitting
Real.
that joint. But yeah, that was hard. I rock with it.
I like it.
I want her to know I can stand the rain. I can make it overflow.
K. Michelle,
And I'm gonna do all that. I'm gonna do it all. Every stroke you want. Even the strokes that you ain't used to. I'm gonna hit you
like
with
some weird, like,
it. You feel me?
feel me? What stroke is this? What stroke is this? You never heard of this stroke.
But I'm gonna hit you with it.
Hit it. One hand stroke. Fuck it.
One of them? Then I'm gonna hit her with the switch. Ooh.
Alright, y'all. We finna, get up out here. I'm hungry as hell.
On the
man.
niggas,
Yeah,
I'm hungry,
so
bro.
I'm finna, you know what I'm saying?
Get up
Drop
out this
these
joint.
bangers. Feel
We
me? Y'all look
appreciate
for
y'all.
some more tonight. Y'all know, man. It's like we got like a section now. We got the morning squad, and we got the night squad. You know what's crazy? I fuck with both squads heavy.
I rock with both.
Fuck with both squads.
I hope
heavy.
y'all can be on both squads anyway.
It's a lot that are.
You
Shout out
feel me?
y'all. Been seeing y'all. What's my dude name, bro?
What's bro name?
What's bro name, bro? That's my dude, bro.
He be on that,
For
bro.
real, that's my dude, bro.
He be on that.
Joseph Montani.
Hey,
That's
Joseph.
my nigga, bro. Shout out Joseph.
You the homie, bro.
You the homie. And y'all know, man. Y'all know who. I respond to y'all a lot. Y'all my homies, bro. I really rock with y'all, man. Thank y'all for showing love and support, man. We is a family now, bro.
A family, like
It's
a
a
family.
family.
You feel me?
For real, like y'all like my cousins, for real.
Like my cousins,
For real.
except the women, like we just friends, we family friends. You feel me? So you,
He's shooting. Hey, you gotta let him make it though. But all right, y'all, man. It's your boy 773.
it's cool, G.
773
Ooh.
202 3556 Luna.
And it's been your boy Zay Styles.
Hey, man, we finna get up out here, man. Y'all know Instagram right there. Make sure y'all follow us, man. Hey, y'all been going crazy on the Instagram.
Y'all have. Y'all been going nuts, and I appreciate it. Please keep following us. Keep DMing us. I was actually responding to somebody DM right now, like on the niggas. So keep doing that, because we gonna get to them.
We gonna do it. All right, y'all. If you requested something, you probably gonna see it today.
Ooh.
If it was requested a lot, because I'ma let it spray. Bars is
video been
surgical
too
like
long.
a doctor, nigga. Ugh. Battle
nigga,
rap.
I'm watching you, but this ain't Proctor, nigga.
Oh, nigga, that was hard. This ain't Proctor, nigga, like a test.
Ooh.
No etiquette. I'm cheating on that bitch.
Ooh, no etiquette.
I'm cheating on that bitch. We out there, man. Peace. Love y'all. Take y'all.
Really hate this 2K for the overcoat. Been sipping the pints of the red and the axes before you and no coulda overdose. Used to play with the pistols and act like I couldn't be touched. I was young, but I'm older though. Still keep it glizzy tucked on me though. Shit like the Navy strapped over my shoulder though. I'm getting colder though. I got some fans on comments saying I ain't the one no more. But I ain't the one.